Hello! To set up network access for applications on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is go into the settings. From here, go into the mobile network, and then you have to go into the data usage. From here, we go into the network access, and right here we will have the list of all the applications on our device. And for example, actually all of them are enabled to use both Wi-Fi and data network access, and you can configure it. Actually, we can set it up. And for example, for YouTube application, we can enable only Wi-Fi, so the YouTube application will not drain our mobile data. And I don't know, for example, we can also set up for the Notes application to use only mobile data. And also, if you want to completely get rid of the network access for some application, for example the Netflix application, we can, as you can see, disable the network access completely. And that's basically all that you can set up right here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.